Life teaches you lessons. You are the maker of your destiny. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amulya, ENT surgeon by profession with passion for food and nutrition. Today I am going to share my weight loss journey with you all. Hope it motivates all of you. So let's get started. During my pregnancy, I tried to eat healthy food. On the day of my delivery, I weighed 76 kgs. And I had a normal delivery, and my son weighed around 3.5 kgs. And after this, I never bothered to check my weight. So I think I would have been around 71.5 to 72 kgs. So after my delivery, I did not bother, and I managed to eat healthy food and home cooked food. But at the end of 3 months, when people started coming home, they started commenting like, oh, you have gained weight, you look fat, and all these things. At around 3rd month, my son's demand for milk increased, and I used to also feel very hungry. So I started eating chickies in the midnight. I used to have this paper boat chickies around 4 to 5 at a time, at a stretch. I used to feel very hungry. And then people who used to come home to visit us used to comment, oh, you've gained so much weight, you'll become like your mother. Oh my god, you've become so fat, and all this. And then I just checked my weight, and to my shock, I weighed 80 kgs. It was really shocking for me. But I couldn't do anything much. I started doing some simple exercises, but I couldn't do more than 10 minutes. And started walking. Maybe I used to walk for around 10-20 minutes around. And the whole day I used to not walk more than 2,000 to 3,000 steps. Then around 6.5 months, I got back to work to the hospital. And then people started commenting, oh ma'am, you have not lost weight at all. People lose weight after delivery, but you have gained weight. Ma'am, you look so fat and ugly. Oh, I heard so many comments, but again I couldn't do much. Then a month later or two, I think in my 8th month after delivery, my husband got me a smartwatch. So that smartwatch and my weighing machine became my best friends. Soon after I got the smartwatch, I started walk. Wherever I would get time, I would walk. In the operation theatre, between 2 operations, I would walk. And during the OPDs, after my lunch, I would walk 5 floors to the wards, and everywhere I would just walk. And this way, in 20 days, I managed to lose 3 kgs. I was very happy. So I continued. I would just check the steps in my watch, and I would keep walking. So from 2,000 to 3,000 steps, I increased to 8,000 steps. So when I would come back from my work, I would take my son for short walks, like on the pram, and about 30 to 45 minutes I would go around walking. Then after my son would sleep, I would walk for half an hour. So this way I completed 8,000 steps every day. Then coming to my diet, I used to start my day with warm water, sometimes with chia seeds in my water, sometimes methi seeds, overnight soaked methi seeds, sometimes lemon water, lemon honey water, some kind of warm water in the morning. This would be followed by moderate exercises around 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 5 minutes of cardio, and then some stretching exercises, followed by meditation. Then for my breakfast, every day I would eat an egg, followed by normal South Indian breakfast, and sometimes I would have North Indian breakfast like parathas, chilas. And then I would pack my lunch and my mid-morning snacks. For mid-morning snacks, I would have 1 or 2 varieties of fruits, especially papaya, sometimes pomegranate. At times I would have some soaked dry fruits as well. For my lunch, I would carry a salad. If I do not have time to prepare salad, I would have 1 cucumber or half cucumber with 1 small carrot, or moong dal sprout salad, otherwise soya chunk salad. So every day, and I still continue to have the same lunch, which starts with a salad, a large quantity of salad, followed by the main course. Main course would be like 2 chapatis or rice with curry. So as I carry my tiffin, I know the quantity what I eat, so I do not eat anything more than that. And then once I'm back home, I have snacks in the evening like bhel puri or makhanas or boiled corn, very rarely boiled sweet potatoes. And then for dinner, I usually have stir-fried veggies or paneer, tawa fry paneer, or sometimes soya with veggies, or maybe rice only, but the quantity will be less. So whatever I have it within 7 to 7:30 p.m. Now, people say we cannot do this when we attend functions, we need some cheat day, how did you do it, and all those things. I did attend functions pre-pandemic. So what I would do is, I would go early to those events and just have the starters or the high fiber stuff like salads or the veggies, and I would not have the sweets. I would also avoid sweets at any function or at the hospital. If there are any functions, I would avoid sweets which are high calorie sweets. As I have a sweet tooth, what I do is I consume small quantity of chikki whenever I have craving for sweet. So this way I lost 27 kgs over a span of 15 months. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. It's not impossible. All that matters is your consistency, discipline. You need to have a diet which is sustainable. Do not go for short-term diets like keto diet, juice diet, raw diet, etc. These will not make you survive for long. You might lose 5 kgs in 5 days or 5 kgs in 10 days, but you need to follow a sustainable diet to lose weight and maintain weight. I am maintaining the same weight since the last 8 months. If I can do it, so can you. It's all about sustainability, consistency, and discipline. If you have any queries or comments, leave it in the comment box. Like this video, press the bell icon, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.